Why freeze potatoes? 99% of people don't know. Potatoes are a kitchen staple, found in everything from French fries to hearty stews. But have you ever wondered why freezing potatoes might be the game changer you didn't know you needed? Believe it or not, freezing potatoes isn't just a storage trick. It can actually enhance your cooking, save time, and reduce food waste. Let's uncover the surprising reasons why freezing potatoes could transform your kitchen habits forever. First off, let's tackle the question of convenience. Freezing potatoes can save you significant prep time during busy weekdays. Imagine having pre-peeled, pre-chopped potatoes ready to go for your favorite recipes. Whether you're whipping up a creamy mash or crispy roasted wedges, frozen potatoes make the process seamless. A little effort up front means no more rushing to peel or chop when you're short on time. It's like having a sous chef in your freezer. Now, let's address the science. Freezing doesn't just preserve potatoes. It can also change their texture in ways that enhance certain dishes. For instance, freezing partially cooked potatoes breaks down their starches, resulting in fluffier mashed potatoes or crunchier fries. Chefs often freeze parboiled potatoes before roasting them to achieve that perfect crispy exterior with a tender, fluffy inside. It's a pro-level cooking hack hiding in plain sight. What about reducing food waste? Potatoes have a notorious habit of sprouting or going soft before you can use them all. Freezing extends their shelf life, allowing you to store them for months without spoilage. This is particularly useful for bulk buyers or those who grow their own potatoes. Simply blanch them boil for a few minutes, then cool quickly and store in airtight freezer bags. You'll thank yourself the next time you reach for a perfectly preserved spud. Concerned about flavor? Worry not. When frozen properly, potatoes retain their natural taste and nutrients. Blanching before freezing locks in their flavor and prevents them from turning mushy. It's crucial, though, to avoid freezing raw potatoes without preparation, as they can develop an unappetizing grainy texture. Trust the process, and your taste buds will be rewarded. Do frozen potatoes have specific uses? Absolutely. They're ideal for soups, stews, and casseroles, where texture isn't as critical. Shredded frozen potatoes are perfect for hash browns, and parboiled ones can be roasted straight from the freezer. Frozen fries and tater tots? They're proof that freezing potatoes is a winning strategy, even on a commercial scale. Here's a real-life example. A busy parent preps and freezes a batch of cubed potatoes on Sunday. During the week, they quickly toss those cubes into a skillet with some veggies and spices for an effortless side dish. No peeling, no chopping, just fast and fresh meals. This small habit can make a big difference in managing time and reducing midweek stress. Let's not forget the economic angle. Buying potatoes in bulk and freezing them can save money. Seasonal or discounted potatoes are a bargain when you can store them safely for months. In times when food prices are unpredictable, a well-stocked freezer is a practical and cost-effective solution. You might be wondering, does freezing potatoes work for all types? Almost. Waxy potatoes, like red and fingerling varieties, freeze well when blanched, but starchy types, like russets, are best for dishes where their texture can shine, like fries or mashed potatoes. Understanding the characteristics of different potato varieties helps you maximize the benefits of freezing. So, what's the big takeaway? Freezing potatoes is a smart, versatile strategy that saves time, reduces waste, and even enhances certain recipes. It's an overlooked kitchen hack that deserves more attention. Give it a try, and you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow food enthusiasts. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more kitchen hacks and cooking tips that will elevate your culinary game. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.